Hi, I'm Leslie Batson of You Bet Your Assets. Now, my company works with small and mid-sized businesses to help them cut taxes, improve cash flow, put protections in place, and ultimately build their business or organization to be a sellable asset. This particular program that I'm talking about today is not just for-profit businesses, also for nonprofits and for government entities. Please stay with me for just a few minutes where I share a little bit of detail as to how you can save $640 or more per employee per year. So, as a business or an organization or a city or government entity, you are getting a savings on your FICA taxes per employee who's opted into the program. So if you have 25 employees, that's $16,000. If you have 100 employees, that's over $60,000. If you have 1,000 employees, that's over $600,000. And this isn't just once, it's every year. How do your employees win? Well, number one, because they're getting to save on FICA tax, that's what's enabling you to save on the FICA tax. So that means that they get to keep more money from their paycheck. They get to take home more and use it for their family. They also have the option, if you allow as the employer, to get some additional voluntary benefits. And we can talk about that a little bit more. But it's what it's doing is helping to relieve a little bit of pressure on their household. We know that finances, personal finances, are a number one concern for a lot of families across America. So it's going to help with retention and recruitment. Okay, so how do you know if you're eligible for the program? If your organization has at least 20 full-time W-2 employees who work at least 30 hours a week in the US and they're paid all 12 months, then you are eligible. Also, it doesn't matter what industry you're in, it doesn't matter if you're for profit, like I mentioned, or nonprofit or government entity. If you have employees who meet this criteria, you can qualify for this program. Also, you do need to have access to an ACA compliant health insurance program. So whether you, the employer, offer it or the employee is accessing it from their spouse's benefits, or if they have gone to the ACA exchange on their own to be able to get coverage. If all of these things are in place, these employees are eligible for this program. So who's already taken advantage of this program? So many organizations, so many companies, so many churches. I mean, really, there's no limit because, like I said, if you have W-2 full-time employees working in the U.S. who qualify, you can get the savings. And of course, who does not want to save tens of thousands of dollars for their organization and put a little bit more money in their employees' paychecks? So we've got some NFL teams, we have some restaurant groups, we have actually the state of Louisiana with 50,000 employees is coming on board now. So really, there's no size limit other than the minimum of the 20 employees. But if you have those full-time workers, we want to be able to help you save on those taxes. So again, think about it. What would you be able to do with that extra $640 per employee per year? Well, let's talk about it. You can cover some of your current business expenses, you can invest in your employees, or you could do both. And we can talk about those options. So what I'd like to invite you to do is scan this code. Let's book some time. All I need is 30 minutes to just share a little bit about this particular program and a couple others that truly are all about helping you to cut your FICA tax, increase your cash flow, and be able to support your employees who are the engine of your business. Thank you.